Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select features of your video that are related to its color, such as intensity and so on the Premiere Rush application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. And now you should tap on the plus icon to upload a new video or select one that you have already inserted. Now click on the color option down below, and here you should select the either the built-in presets that you can choose from. Tap on the relevant one that you are interested in, and then click on intensity, where you can use this scale ranging from 0 to 200, where you can select the intensity of the color of your video. Then the exposure, also using the same scale ranging from 0 to 5. Then the contrast is also available, such as highlights, shadows, and the temperature as well. Then tint, vibrance, saturation, faded film, sharpening, vignette amount, vignette feather, and you can select this apply to all button, reset, and in the options you can also create your own preset if you want to. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.